Bitcoin signals COVID-era risk-reward setup again. Bitwise analyst. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, market. He argues BTC is already pricing in a recession-like outlook after steep sell-offs and heavy liquidations. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 3 minutes ago. Bitcoin's current price action may be flashing a familiar signal, according to Bitwise Europe's head of research, André Dragosch. Key takeaways. Bitwise Europe's research chief, André Dragosch, says Bitcoin now shows a COVID-era risk-reward profile. He argues BTC is already pricing in a recession-like outlook after steep sell-offs and heavy liquidations. Dragosch expects global growth to rebound as past stimulus feeds through, potentially lifting Bitcoin next. In a recent post on X, Dragosch said the market is beginning to resemble the extreme risk-reward environment seen during the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic. The last time I saw such an asymmetric risk-reward was during COVID, Dragosch wrote in a post on X on Friday, pointing to March 2020, when Bitcoin collapsed from about $8,000 to below $5,000 as panic swept through global markets. Bitwise analyst. Bitcoin now trading like a global downturn is underway. Dragosch argued that today's setup feels similar, not because of a health crisis, but because Bitcoin is once again trading as if a deep downturn is already here. He said the cryptocurrency appears to be pricing in what he described as the most bearish global growth outlook since 2022, a period dominated by aggressive rate tightening from the U.S. Federal Reserve and the shock failure of FTX. Bitcoin is essentially pricing in a recessionary growth environment, he said, adding that the market has likely absorbed a lot of the bad news already. Recent price action supports the view that sentiment has weakened sharply. Bitcoin is down more than 17% over the past 30 days, according to CoinMarketCap. After hitting an all-time high of $125,100 on October 5th, the asset slid into a sustained pullback following a $19 billion liquidation wave on October 10th. The drop came days after Donald Trump announced sweeping new tariffs on Chinese imports. Momentum deteriorated further in mid-November, when Bitcoin slipped below $100,000. A level many traders viewed as psychological support. Although the price briefly dipped under $90,000 on November 20th, buyers quickly stepped in, fueling hopes that the floor may be forming. Dragosch believes the pessimism could be misplaced. He argues that global growth may soon improve as prior monetary stimulus works its way through the system, a pattern similar to the post-COVID expansion. I genuinely think we're staring at a similar macro setup right now, he wrote. Cathie Wood calls liquidity rebound for crypto. As reported, ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood has forecasted that the liquidity squeeze hitting crypto and AI markets will reverse within weeks, driven by 3 Federal Reserve policy shifts expected before year-end. Her firm continues aggressively buying crypto equities during the downturn, deploying over $93 million in a single day this week across beaten-down digital asset stocks. Speaking during ARK's November market webinar, she identified 3 temporary liquidity constraints she expects to ease rapidly through Federal Reserve action and reopened government spending. Wood expects the Federal Reserve to end quantitative tightening at its December 10th meeting, immediately easing one pressure point. The government shutdown that caused the Treasury General Account cash buildup has concluded, returning funds to circulation. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. ETF inflows aren't helping. Is something seriously wrong with Ripple right now? XRP price prediction. UAE just approved Ripple's stablecoin. Can Arab Wealth send XRP to $1,000? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO predicts pre-Thanksgiving ETF surge as Grayscale and Franklin launch XRP ETFs. For days ago, by Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Monad price prediction. Mainnet goes live as markets explode. Is MON the next Solana? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Blockchain news. Largest U.S. pension fund CalPERS faces heavy losses as strategy investment drops to $80 million. 1 day ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 18 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 20 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. For days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.